Okay, so welcome to today's maths class. Today we are going to do chapter 6, lesson 6.9. That is model, read and write numbers from 100 to 110. 100 to 110. Today's date is 6/12/2020 and the day is Sunday. And the pages we are going to do today for the classwork is from 380, 381 and 382. That will be the three pages, and the homework page will be 383 from question number 1 to question number 4. So you all know about the tens and the ones. Here I have the number 32. In the number 32, the 3 will be the tens and the 2 will be the ones place. So I have here 3 is in the tens place and 2 is in the ones place. So this is 32. So how do you write as 30? 30 plus 2. That becomes 32. Or you can write the models or draw the models by making the 3 tens and 2 ones. That also becomes at 32. Then I have 27. In the number 27, I have 7 as ones and 2 as tens. So that becomes 2 tens and 7 ones. That is 20 plus 7. How do you do the models? You draw the two boxes or the two groups of 10 and 7 groups of ones. So that will become 27. Then we have the number 13. That is, we have tens in ones place and 3 in ones place. So 110 and 3 ones. That becomes 10 plus 3. The model we have here, one group of 10 and 3 groups of ones. So that becomes 13. So this is how you can write it by the group or the place value. You can write it by the ones or you can do with the models. So this is how we do the place value of tens and ones. Now let's move on to the textbook, page 380 everyone. Open the page 380. Let's write the date on the top. That's CW. Today's date is 6, 11, sorry, 12, 2020. That's the date. Six 12 2020. So now you have done only with the 2-digit number. Now we are going to do with the 3-digit number, that is with 100 to 110. Now, as you can see here, I have 10 tens and one more. When I have 10 groups of 1, look at what it becomes. That becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is group of 10, that is 100. And then I have one more. So what comes after 100? That is 101. So I have 10 groups of 10 and one more. That becomes 101. The same way I have here 10 groups of 10. That becomes 100. And then I have 10 more. It says 10 more. So you're going to draw the 10 more, that is ones. So I have 10 more. So what it becomes? 10 groups of 10 and 10 more becomes 110. As you can see, I have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This becomes as my 100. And then I have 10 more. So you're going to count 101, 102, 103 till 10 more. That becomes 110. So this is 100 and this is 10 more. So 110, that becomes 110. Don't get confused. Don't write it as 1010. No, this is wrong. You're not going to write 10 tens and 10 more. No, this is wrong. When you have 10 tens, that means that is 100. That is just going to write 1. And 10 more. When you have 10 more, that becomes 110. So this is how you're going to write. Now, here I have 10 tens and 1 more. That is just 1 more. So I'm going to write 100 and just 1 more. I'm going to change just 1. If it is 10, then I'm going to change this last two numbers and I'm going to write 110. So this is how the number changes, okay? Don't get confused. And now if I have here 10 tens and 20 more, what are you going to do? 20 more. Yes, that will become 120. So this is how the number changes. So when we start solving the questions, we are going to understand it. For now, it is 110. No need to write all this. This is just for the explanation. Now, I have question number 1. That is, use the model or use the cubes to model the number. Write the number. I have 10 tens and 1 more. I have 10 tens and 1 more. Look, it is the same as I have 10 tens and 1 more. So let me draw. I have 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means it is 100. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 and 1 more. So 1 more. So that becomes 101. 101 more becomes 101. Then I have question number 2. 10 tens and 2 more. 10 tens and 2 more. So that becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have drawn 10 and then 2 more. So that becomes 2 more. So what's the number I'm going to write here? 10 tens. So that becomes 10 hundred, 102. Yes, very good. Excellent. Miral, Livia, Iliana. Yes, very good, Janat. So that's 102. Now the same way, question number 3. 10 tens and 3 more. 10 tens and 3 more. So again, you're going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that I have 10 and 3 more. So 1, 2, and 3 more circles. So what does it become? Yes, that becomes 103. Now question number 4, also the same. We have 10 tens and 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 groups of 10 and 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 104. So 104. Yes, excellent. Ilyana, Rawan, Jannat, Miral. Yes, very good, Eileen. Now question number 5. I have 10 tens and 5 more. So what's the number going to be? I have 10 tens and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 groups of 10 and 5 more. So that's become 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have here 10 groups of 10. That becomes 100 plus 5. 105. 100 plus 5 becomes 105. Yes, excellent. Again, Ilyana, Eileen, Livia, very good. Excellent. Miral, Warif, yes. Nurleen, very good. So that becomes 105. Now I want you all to solve question number 6 by yourself. So what is the number you get here? 10 tens and 6 more. Write to me the answer in the chat box. Yes, very good. I got the answer from Livia. Very good, Livia. Very good, Ilyana. Yes, so that's the number. Very good. Jannat, Nurleen, Eileen. Very good, Warif. Yes, excellent. So now you have the number 10 tens and 6 more. So 10 group of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 6 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 groups of 10. 10 groups of 10 make 100 and 6. So that becomes 106. Very good, girls. Those who have given the answer, very good. Excellent. Open the page 381. We are going to do the same way. Use the models or the cubes to model the number, write the number. For question number 7, we have 10 tens and 7 more. So that becomes 10 group of 10s. And then we have 7 more. So that becomes 107. Now, no need to draw. You can write the numbers. Just write the numbers. Now, question number 8 is also the same. We have 10 tens and 8 more. That is 10 groups of 10 becomes 100. And then we have 8 more. So that becomes the number 108. Then we have question number 9. 10 tens and 9 more. So that is 109. 100 is group of 10 and then we have 9 ones. That is 109. Now, question number 10. 10 tens and 10 more. So are you going to write it this way? We have 10 groups of 10 and 10 more. Is this correct, everyone? Write to me in the chat box. Is this the correct way? Very good. Yes, this is not the correct way. This is the wrong way. This is not how you are going to do it. So we have 10 tens, that is 10 groups of 10, and 10 more. So that becomes 110. Yes, excellent. I'm getting the answers. Very good. Reem, Juri Ahmed, Ilyana and Syria. Very good. Livia. Excellent, Warif. Jannat, Lama. Very good. Excellent, Nurleen. Yes, so that's how you're going to write 110. Now, question number 11, we have 11 tens. Think about it, 11 tens. Look, I'm going to draw 11 tens and I'll show you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I'm going to draw 11 here. So count with me now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 11 becomes 110. So this becomes 110. This is same as writing 10 tens and 10 more, or you can write 11 tens. This becomes the same 110. 110. Both the ways you can write. You can write 10 tens and 10 more because you're putting 10 more to the tens. Or you can write 11 tens. Both the ways it is, you have the answer 110. Now, write the number. We are going to count the models and write the number here. So, question number 12. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10. Okay. And how many more? How many ones I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my number is going to be 109. That is 10 and 9 more. Yes, very good, Livia, Reem, Jannat. Yes, excellent. That's 109. Very good, Lamar. Now, question number 13. Now, let's move on to the next page. Page 382. We have solve to find the number of apples. Now, they say we have to think that there is only one apple that becomes only one apple. That is equal to one apple. Now, we have a tray of apple that is equal to the 10 apples. So, we are going to count this as tens, the group of apples as tens, and the one single apple as ones. So, we have question number 16. We are going to count the groups of 10 and groups of 1. So, let's see how many groups of 10 do we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, that becomes my 10 groups of apple. And how many more? 1, 2, 3. So, I have 10 apples in the group of 10 and I have 3 apples in the group of 1. So that becomes 103. So there are 103 apples. Now when there is a group of 10s, it's very easy for you to count. No need to count 1, 2, 3, one by one. Now this is so easy and so fast to count till 103, right? So that will give you an easy idea how to count 100 and more numbers. Now question number 17. Again, I'm going to count the group of tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know there is 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so I have the number 108 apples. So altogether there are 108 apples.